Hello pipe drivers, this is Jason from Pipedrive. In this video I'm going to show you the web forms feature, how to use them, and what they're capable of. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what a web form is, it's simply an online form your customers can fill out on your website. And it's a far more easy and intuitive way to collect and manage data from your customers. Whether they'd like to schedule a demo of your product or simply get in touch, the reasons can be many. But you may be wondering, what is it about Pipedrive web forms that's so special? Well, with Pipedrive web forms, the instant a customer submits a form, it's going to create a lead inside of Pipedrive for you. And it's also possible to get an email notification as soon as the lead is created via the web form. So it kind of sets you up in a situation where you can instantly get in contact with that prospect the moment the lead is created. So let's get to it. So we're going to go into Leads, click on Web Forms, and click on Try Web Forms. So here you can see that we can start to customize. I can change colors, I can pick one of these colors, or let's go with something like this. You can also flip the background, make it dark. We're going to keep it pretty simple for the demo here. And you can mess around with the font. I like this techie. You can also change what the fields look like. I like the rounded look. You can also pick any language that you like. Now there are different kinds of web form templates, depending on your needs, what kind of information you want from the customer. If you have some document or some material that's available for download on your website, you can use this field. There's also one that is blank and you can customize. Put whatever field that you need there. Let's stick with registration. This is all the information I think I'm going to need from my customers. And here you can do a little more customizing. Before we finalize, we can see how the data fields are matched to your lead inside of Pipedrive. You can either use a standalone link for just a page with the web form, or you can get an embedded code to share with the developer of your website. You can also customize what the message is once they've submitted the form. Here you can add a prefix to the lead when it appears in Pipedrive. I'm going to put something simple like WF so I know it came from my web form. You can pick who the owner in your Pipedrive account is for each lead that comes in from the web form. That's pretty important. You can also select to get an email notification every time a new form is submitted. Well, let's maybe change the style a little bit. There are some advanced options as well. Maybe we want to make the text and the fields bigger, or we can change the layout a little bit. And voila, here's our new web form. So let's see what happens when someone visits my website and provides their information. Registration submitted, that's great. So over in Pipedrive, we see that we've got a form submitted. And here it is in my leads inbox. Now I can schedule a callback. I can also convert this lead into a deal in my pipeline right away. Now you know everything there is to know about web forms, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us at support@pipedrive.com.